First question: in which year did the Parliament adopt Indian Constitution? Answer: option B, 26 January 1950. Next question: the Supreme Court of India was set up by the. Answer: option A, Regulating Act 1773. The monopoly of Indian trade of the East India Company was abolished by the. Answer: option C, Charter Act 1813. Two independent states of India and Pakistan were created by. Answer: option D, the Indian Independent Act. Which of the following was the biggest source for the Constitution of India? Answer: option B, the Government of India Act 1935. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Answer: option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is called the father of Indian Constitution? Answer: option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the permanent president of the Constituent Assembly? Answer: option D, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is considered the architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer: option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Answer: option C, B.N. Rao. The Constituent Assembly was set up in. Answer: option B, November 1946. The total member in the Constituent Assembly were. Answer: option A, 389. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly was held on. Answer: option C, 9th December 1946. 8th schedule of the Constitution of India deals with. Answer: option A, language. The draft constitution was published on. Answer: option C, January 1948. Who was the chairman of the Union Power Committee of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer: option B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Constitution of India was completed on. Answer: option D, 26 November 1949. The first day of Indian Constituent Assembly was chaired by. Answer: option A, Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. The first section of the Constituent Assembly was held on. Answer: option C, 9th December 1946. The number of members included in the Constitution Drafting Committee was. Answer: option A, 7. Who proposed the preamble before the Drafting Committee of the Constitution? Answer: option B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Deferment of adult franchise for 15 years was advocated in Constituent Assembly by. Answer: option C, Maulana Azad. Who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constitution Assembly? Answer: option B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by. Answer: option B, elected by Provincial Assembly. How many sections of the Indian Constitution Assembly were conducted for the formulation of Indian Constitution? Answer: option A, 11th. How many times the Constituent Assembly took to frame the Constitution of India? Answer: option D, 2 years, 11th months and 18 days. During which of the following periods did the Constituent Assembly deliberate upon and finalize the Constitution of India? Answer: option A, December 1946 to November 1949. How many members were initially there in the Constitution Assembly of India? Answer option B 300. The Indian judiciary is headed by. Answer option A the Supreme Court. What is the maximum member strength of the Lok Sabha in India? Answer option D 552. What is the retirement age for a Supreme Court judge? Answer option B 65 years. The age of retirement of the judge of the High Court is. Answer option A 62 years. Which is part of Parliament of India? Answer option D all of these. How many parts, schedules and articles the Constitution of India contains? Answer option B 25 parts, 448 articles and 12 schedules. How many languages have recognized by the Constitution? Answer option A 22. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the institution of Panchayati Raj? Answer option B Article 40. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental rights? Answer option A Part 3. Part IV of the Constitution of India deals with. Answer option C Directive Principle of State Policy. Part 3 of the Constitution of India related to. Answer option A Fundamental Rights. In which part of the Constitution details of citizenship are mentioned? Answer option B Part 2. The oath to a High Court judge is administered by the. Answer option B Governor. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by the. Answer option C President. Who is the head of the state executive? Answer option B Governor. Chairman of State Public Service Commission is appointed by. Answer option B Governor of the state. The state operates through. Answer option D Government. The High Court in India were first started at. Answer option D Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. Where was the concept of written constitution first born? Answer option A USA. Where was the first parliamentary form of government formed? Answer option C Britain. The Constitution of India is. Answer partly rigid and partly flexible. The concept of judicial review in our Constitution has been taken from the. Answer option A USA. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of. Answer option B Canada. Under which article of the Constitution of India can the President of India be impeached? Answer option C Article 61. Which article of Indian Constitution related to abolition of untouchability is? Answer option A Article 17. Which article of Indian Constitution enumerates fundamental duties of Indian citizens? Answer option B Article 51A. Which article of Indian Constitution can the Indian Parliament make the laws under the residuary power? Answer option A Article 248. The Finance Commission is constituted under which article of Indian Constitution? Answer option C, Article 280. Which constitutional amendment deleted the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Answer option B, 44th Amendment. Which of the following is the guardian of the fundamental right? Answer option D, judiciary. At present in the Constitution of India, right to property is answer option A, legal right. Which of the following court is responsible for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Answer option C, both A and B, Supreme Court and High Court. Which one among the following has the power to regulate the right of citizenship in India? Answer option B, the Parliament. In India, the President is elected by answer option B, single transferable vote. The first President of independent India hails from answer option A, Bihar. By which of the following can the President of India impeached? Answer option C, by the Parliament. Who among the following is appointed by the President? Answer option A, Attorney General of India. Acting Chief Justice of Supreme Court in India is appointed by answer option C, by the President. Comptroller Auditor General of India is appointed by answer option C, by the President. All the executive power in Indian Constitution are vested with answer option C, President. Election to the office of the President is conducted by answer option D, the Election Commissioner of India. Who among the following is the chairman of the National Integration Council? Answer option B, the Prime Minister.